The region in the Mid-Atlantic was New York, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Maryland. And New Jersey. Go. The largest region is slow moving ones Delaware, Hudson. The river Hudson, they cover all Delaware and Pennsylvania.
Are you guys done recording?
Yeah.
So Alex and Hector, if you guys want to, you can move over here where it's quieter if you need to still record, or are you done your recording?
No, we have. The climate in Mid-Atlantic region was sunshine cold when it was winter and sunshine hot when it was summer. The people who live there, they have for winter they have like coats and things to cover from the climate. The population in Mid-Atlantic was made of any clothes and preparation during dead clothes to make clothes. Many people had different jobs. Some were shopkeepers, others were artisans, and some were shipwrights, and others were butchers, coopers, seamstresses, shoemakers, bakers, carpenters, mansions, and others more. The Mid-Atlantic colony had a success in economy. Largely farms and more crops, mostly grain and oats, and they had markets everywhere, like literally everywhere you go. Bye. The middle colony had a time like no other. As you can see, it lasted from the 16 to 3 whatever to 1776. That's like wait, let me do the math. 503 years. That's a lot. Fun facts. Did you know that recently New York wasn't actually named New York? It was named something, something, something. And New Jersey was actually in 1664. That's incredible. Fun facts.